Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Ainsley Furrer with your hedge fund headlines. Today is Thursday, March 26, 2009. Snehal Amin, co-founder of London hedge fund the Children's Investment Fund, has resigned. According to the Financial Times, Amin was the last co-founder of the fund who was still working with the fund's manager, Chris Hohn. Amin left TCI earlier this month, soon after the departure of COO James Wilk. He managed the activist investor campaign against CSX, a U.S. railway group. Staying with hedge fund news, hedge fund firm Bridgewater Associates is mulling taking part in the U.S. Treasury's public-private investment program. According to Reuters, its decision to buy the distressed assets will depend on pricing. The firm said that, from a macro perspective, it will amount to a large transfer of money from the government to the banks and buyers. Bridgewater, founded by Ray Dalio, manages about $80 billion in global investments. And in more hedge fund news, P. Schoenfeld Asset Management is planning to buy 3 hedge funds with $200 to $400 million each in assets under management. According to Reuters, the names of the funds were not disclosed. PSAM is planning to recruit more staff in areas where it expects more mergers and acquisitions, such as the pharmaceutical and real estate sectors. The purchases will help the firm to reduce costs. And in other hedge fund news, FountainVest, a private equity firm supported by Singapore investor Temasek, is targeting the Chinese market with its $1 billion fund raised in November. According to Reuters, the private equity firm seeks to pick up minority stakes in privately held firms that could benefit from Beijing's push into domestic consumption, but will not undertake turnaround of state-owned enterprises. CEO Frank Tang said the company had done one deal in the environment sector and was now planning to invest in property firms targeting the mid-market in top-tier cities. And that rounds out today's hedge fund headlines. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our hedge funds channel online and read the full stories and latest developments.